Hello travellers, today we're doing a quick review of the new Arpenaz NH100 10L backpack from Decathlon. This is a slightly updated version of the Quechua Arpenaz 10L backpack, which I also did a review on previously. You can click up in the top right to see a review of that. Upon first inspection, it may appear as though there is quite a large difference between the two bags, but when you look closer, there is really not that huge amount of a difference. The NH100 10L does have a slightly updated and overall cleaner design. It appears that they also have a few more colours available. Overall, I like the new, cleaner, updated design of the bag. However, I don't really like the contrasting zipper design. I preferred the matching coloured zippers over the new one, but I do like that they added an additional zipper to the top, so now there are two zipper pulls instead of just the single zipper pull, which means you can open and close your backpack in any orientation that you like. The front pocket is still the same size and overall hasn't changed that much. The bag's profile itself has changed a bit. If you look at these two product shots from the Decathlon website, it would appear as though the newer one is larger, or at least looks a bit more top heavy. But overall they can both fit the same 10L amount. The new design is much cleaner and sleeker compared to the old one, and I like that it is a more minimal design with fewer logos, and the new colour options are nice too. I tried packing my clothes and toiletries into the bag to see how much I could get in, and as you can see it's a fairly tight fit, but it does fit more than you think you'd be able to fit by looking at the bag. The bag is made from the same nylon material, but it is not water resistant. After a few days of wear, the material softens and the water no longer runs off the bag. The water will soak into the seams and the zippers and through the main fabric. In terms of price, it's still probably the best value bag on the market at the moment, at $3 which is 450 Australian or 250 Great British pounds, which is an unbelievably good price for such a nice little backpack. Overall, a welcome design update to an already great backpack, and I can definitely recommend this bag. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below what you think about the new design, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.